Priya woke to the faint sound of a child crying. The noise echoed softly through her apartment, coming from the hallway. She froze. She lived alone. For a moment she thought it might be her imagination, but the sound grew louder, tugging at her nerves. Slowly she got up, her bare feet brushing against the cold floor. "Hello?" she whispered, stepping into the hallway. The crying stopped abruptly, replaced by a heavy silence. She stood there, heart pounding, scanning the darkness. Just as she convinced herself it was a bad dream, a small voice giggled behind her, close enough to brush her ear. "Found you," it said. Priya spun around, gasping. The hallway was empty. But then she heard the crying again, this time coming from inside her bedroom. The door creaked open slowly, and a shadow moved across the wall. She didn't